What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here with your Financial Friday for today. Now, I'm not even going to waste any time. I'm going to dive straight into it. Today I'm giving you guys 5 different apps you can use on your phones to help you guys make some money. Now, you guys know I'm here to help you guys make some money, so that's what we're going to talk about today. As always, make sure you guys drop that thumbs up if you did appreciate the video. Now, quickly, just before I get into the message, I do want to say I'm flying out tomorrow morning, so we'll see what happens with the videos over the coming period of time, but I'll try and make a video. Maybe I'll vlog, my travel. We'll see. I'll definitely have a few different videos dropping for you guys over the next coming weeks. But when it comes to consistency, I can't really say too much about that. But either way, let's dive straight into the video. So number 1, Swagbucks. I'm sure many of you guys have heard of Swagbucks before. This is an app on your phone where they reward members who sign up and give them free gift cards, as well as cash for the things they do every day online. Now, how does Swagbucks work? Well, you can do a few different things to get some money. You can do some surveys, you can search the web, you can watch TV, you can watch things online, you can watch entertaining videos, again you can answer surveys, you can find so many different ways to earn points. That is your main aim with Swagbucks, earning points. Now when you redeem points, you get those points and you earn free gift cards on websites such as Amazon, Walmart, a few other stores, or even better, you can get cash back in the form of PayPal. Now, the reason I love Swagbucks is because you can do so many different things, like I said. You can watch movies, entertaining videos, you can do surveys. It's just up to you what you do. But at the end of the day, you're redeeming points, constantly redeeming points, and that is leading you to earn gift cards, earn more points, or even get some money. There are 100 Swagbucks or Swagbucks points to $1. So for Swagbucks, there are a lot of mixed reviews. Honestly, it depends how much your time is worth. For me, I wouldn't really do Swagbucks now, but back in 2018, I did it at the beginning of the year. It was worth my time then because I had a lot more free time, but for someone like me now who's a lot more busy, it's not exactly worth my time. But like I said, I'll definitely go and recommend you guys check out Swagbucks, see what you can do there, test it out, and decide what you think based on that. Now, Swagbucks is a great app for you guys to check out, so again, just go check that one out. 2, Acorns. Now, Acorns is an investing app. For those of you who are new to the market, this could be relevant to you. Acorns is a fantastic way to get started when it comes to investing in the market, start building a portfolio, and do this all without dealing with the headaches that come in the form of HR, annoying fees, difficult things, the stuff that happens with usual brokers. Now, what it is with Acorns is basically you're investing spare change, and you can do this actually automatically or recurring. So again, you're investing with money with little hassle. So what I would say is, get the money from your paycheck, set a bit aside, and start investing in Acorns. Again, it can be recurring, it can be automatic payments. It's up to you how you want to do it. But it's one of those smaller platforms which don't involve all the hassle of the bigger platforms. And again, it's a nice way to build your portfolio if you're just starting out. Now, the cool thing with Acorns is you can actually access smart portfolios designed by experts that will actually adjust automatically and help your money grow. So you're seeing your money grow without you doing too much of the work. Again, it's a nice way to get started in the market if you're new to the game. 3, Uber. You guys know what Uber is. Uber is a platform where you can drive people from one destination to another. Now, how does Uber work and why would you get paid for Uber? Well, because you start with the app. You sign up on the app to be a driver, they'll test your car, they'll see if you have a valid driver's license, and you're good to go. Once you're a driver, you can then start taking rides. Rides which are longer obviously will get you more pay, rides which are shorter will get you a lot less money. But Uber will take their percentage of whatever drive you do, and again, you're left with money at the end of that. Now, what I like about Uber is the fact that you have the freedom to do what you want. You can drive at 3 a.m. in the morning, you can drive at 10 p.m. at night, you can drive during your lunch break at 12 to 1, you can drive whenever you want. It's up to you to set your schedule. You'll just be available, log onto the app, let them know you're ready to take some drives, let them know you're ready to do some rideshare, and you're good to go. Everybody knows about Uber, everybody knows what Uber does. Not a lot of people don't realize that Uber don't actually own any cars. People who are driving Ubers in this case, so the Uber drivers, will have their own cars, or maybe even with friends, however they want to do it. But yeah, again, Uber is one of those apps where you set up, you're good to go. You start driving whenever you're ready. You literally can do what you want. Again, set your own schedule. There are many people who do Uber full-time, but there are also many people who do Uber part-time, just as a side hustle, apart from their job. But again, it's a very nice way to make some extra money, or if you'd like, a full-time job for yourself. 4, Airbnb. Now, obviously, Airbnb is another one of those that you guys have definitely heard of. Airbnb, what is it? Well, it's similar to Uber, but it's now for the housing market. So that means you have your property, you have your house or apartment, and you rent out rooms. You get people who are coming on holiday to visit your area or nearby, and you rent out rooms for a certain price. Again, Airbnb will take their cut, which is completely normal, but you'll be left with your money after that. You'll have to, obviously tidy up after them, decide if you want to give them breakfast options, decide what you want to do. But Airbnb is a great way to start renting out rooms in your house. Again, something without too much hassle. Now, the thing about Airbnb is, they're just like Uber. The Airbnb company does not own any apartments, does not own any property. You guys are the property owners. You guys are the ones who live in your house or apartment, wherever. It's just like a hotel service, but it's now designed for the people. So you go onto your phone, look at the Airbnb app, or go on the website, of course, see what you have to do there, sign up to be a host. Once you get people coming in, they'll give you guys reviews. That also happens with Uber, by the way. you get reviews, people will know if you're good, you're bad, whatever it may be. Hopefully you guys are good hosts, hopefully you guys are good Uber drivers, but yeah, Airbnb is another great way to make some money from your phone. 5, Sweatcoin. You might have heard of Sweatcoin, it's becoming more common, but now you can get paid to walk. So any of you guys like walking, you can get paid to walk with Sweatcoin. So Sweatcoin is an app where you can get paid because you're walking outside. Sweatcoin is actually a digital currency which you earn from being active, so walking outside. That's how you earn your Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is a great way to earn rewards for moving your body. That being said, there's always a lot of confusion about anything dealing with digital currency. So to accumulate it, you first need to download the Sweatcoin app, which is free, and keep it running on your phone at all times. Anytime you walk or run outside, it tracks your steps and pays for you in Sweatcoins. For every 1,000 steps you take, you earn just under 1 Sweatcoin. After accumulating enough Sweatcoins, you're then able to redeem them for items like sport watches, Amazon credits, music downloads, ebooks, airline miles, or gift certificates to various retailers. Offers constantly changed and are largely based on whatever deals Sweatcoin has made with various retailers. So there are actually over 40 million users who are part of Sweatcoin, which they call the movement economy. And again, Sweatcoin is just converting your steps into Sweatcoins. So you're getting different points similar to Swagbucks. You're getting those currency units, you're getting those points, and eventually you can spend those again on gift cards, on rewards, and also you can get them in the form of cash. Now Sweatcoin is actually one of those websites where a lot of people think it's a scam. It's not really, but you will have to walk a lot to see some results. And to be honest, with Swagbucks, it's a similar situation. You have to get a lot of points, claim a lot of points before you get your rewards. And you might not think your rewards are worth your time, but you're still getting rewards anyway. If you have any questions or queries or worries about Sweatcoin, I'd definitely say go check out the reviews because it's definitely mixed feelings about it. But again, it's up to you what you decide. So instead of maybe going to the gym or going out for a cycle, you can decide to go and start walking. Especially in a period of time like this, you can start walking, you're fine, you're going outside, you're not doing anyone any harm. And again, you're just collecting points in the form of currency units, so you're good to go. All of these apps you can download on your phone, your Samsung, your iPhone, whatever, and get going. It is that simple, they're all free, they're all there for you guys to use and make yourself some money. So overall, I hope you guys did enjoy those 5 different ways to make money. Check them out, honestly. See if you can be an Uber driver. If you drive a lot, be an Uber driver. If you're someone who walks a lot, try Sweatcoin out. If you're someone who likes sitting at home, doing different things and watching entertainment videos or stuff like that, check out Swagbucks. If you're someone who just loves to be a host, loves to have people around, loves hospitality and being nice to people, check out Airbnb. You guys know that there are many different options out there. From this list I've given you, there are different things you can try out. And if you're new to investing, Acorns might be the one for you. Again, you don't have to do too much. A lot of the apps I've given to you today are pretty easy to understand, maneuver around, sign up on, and get going. So hopefully you guys do actually take those tips into consideration and maybe check them out, try sign up today or whenever. Do something this weekend, do something on your weekends. It's up to you what you do. As always, I'm trying to help people get better each and every day, become more financially aware, more financially free, closer to their goals and dreams, and hopefully help them achieve their aspirations. So hopefully with today's video, I've done that for you in some form. As always, make sure you guys check out all those links in the description. We have cryptocurrency, stocks, free guide to online business. We also have affiliate marketing, and we also have my smartwatch company, Time Your Watches. Lastly, I do want to say thanks a lot for the support recently. We have hit 1,200 subscribers before I fly out, and that is what I wanted to do, so well done for that. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the red button below, subscribe to the channel. This is the Money Management. I upload a video each and every day for you guys just like this, so check my channel out. Lastly, make sure you guys comment and share these videos with your friends. But thanks a lot for watching today's video. That's it for me today. I got into making, you got into making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace. So a quick update on the equipment. The new monitor is in, just came in today. We are now waiting on my chair and then some new lighting and possibly something else. But we are slowly making progress.